Microsoft Planner is an effective tool for managing projects with its user-friendly interface and seamless integration with Microsoft 365 apps. Here's how you can use it to manage your projects. Create a new plan. Start by creating a new plan by selecting New Plan from the Planner homepage. Give your project a name, choose whether it will be public or private, and select the group to associate it with. Set up buckets. Organize your project into different buckets. Each bucket can represent a stage of the project or different categories. Add tasks. Inside each bucket, create tasks by clicking Add Task. Assign tasks to team members, set due dates, add descriptions, and attach relevant files. You can also create checklists within tasks to break them down into smaller steps. Track progress. Use the board view to visualize task progress. Move tasks between buckets as they progress, and update the status. Use the charts view to track task completion visually, helping you monitor progress. Collaborate. Use comments to communicate with team members directly on each task and attach files from OneDrive or SharePoint.